Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be helping somebody with SEO that has a really nice little Dollar Tree project about being kind. So let's see what we can do. So right here we've got only 5 for an SEO score. I'm going to bring that up. Now ranked tags is another important thing, and I have not learned how to do that quite yet to where I can get a lot of ranked tags. I'm still learning. So when I do your tags are going to show up right here, right there. So I'm going to use your information that you have, and let's go see what we can do. Okay, so we're at the page. When you upload your video, this is where you will end up. So I'm going to go ahead and get your title. Copy, and I'm going to put it in the title, paste, and then I'm going to put that also in the description, and I'll put it in the tags when we get to the tag part. Okay, now I'm going to go and get your description. Copy. I'm going to go right in the description, and then I'm going to also grab your name because I'm going to put that in your tags, in your tag box. Copy. So remember, we're starting with this here, a 5 and 0 ranked tags. Now ranked tags, like I said, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead, and I don't have a thumbnail. We'll go ahead and use this one. No, it's not made for kids. Oh, here's the tag. So I'm going to use your name. And we're going to put this down there. Paste. This should be before that. We'll fix it when we get further along. We'll go ahead and use these tags that TubeBuddy or somebody, vidIQ. Now see the vidIQ, and I don't know how to use this keyword inspector. Stay tuned for another video for me to learn about that. And we're going to put this under how to. I'm really not sure. I'm not sure what you had it under. But I'm going to leave it under how to. And then okay, I'm going to put it unlisted. Okay, now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to get the title. Well, let's go see what it is with me just doing that without even going into TubeBuddy SEO Studio yet. So I got that up to an 80 just by that little simple, not even using SEO Studio yet. So let's go ahead into SEO Studio and see if we can make that better. So I'm copying the title, and I'm going to this red button here, and on this black down here about halfway is SEO Studio. Now I'm copying and pasting what I just copied in there, because otherwise I have to type it all out. Now see, on here it only shows a 70. Now sometimes if I do this, it'll just bump it right up. I got it to a 75. Let's go ahead and put this naturally in a title and see if that helps. A very cute, do-it-yourself, easy bee kind picture. Dollar Tree project. Well, let's try some little thing I've tried before on others. Now, did this have... Let's try this. Got DIY. Now, sometimes if I add the word learn, it helps. Let's try. It started going before I even did it. There you go, learn. Let's go over to the tags. And we're going to add that. Oh, doesn't look like I even need to add that updated. Let's go see what it looks like in the... Yeah, it doesn't look like we needed to add that up there because it was a 99. And I'm optimizing it. Saving it. Alright, let's cross our fingers and go hope it's still a 99. There you go, 99. But no ranked tags. I still need how to learn how to do that. Down here is your tags. When you're filling out your description in the tag box, you put your tags in the tag box. This is where you see them when you're watching your video. Some people say that tags aren't that important. I think they're very important. It seems to me when I'm learning how to do this SEO for people that they do matter. I would continue to put tags in your videos. I really had a good time SEOing your video for you. I look forward to watching your channel grow. And take care, and I'll just see everybody next time. Bye.